In this video, I will show you how to grow your hair fast and thick with coffee, Vaseline, and onion juice. These three ingredients are perfect for hair growth. It also helps to darken hair. The first ingredient you are going to be using is your Vaseline, Blue Sea Vaseline. Vaseline is very good for moisturization of the hair. It helps to moisturize the hair. If you have dry hair or if you have damaged hair, making use of Vaseline will help to regulate it and make it stop falling off. Get 1 teaspoon of Vaseline or 2 teaspoons of Vaseline depending on the length of your hair. After you have gotten your Vaseline, then the second ingredient you're going to be using is your onion. Onion is great for hair growth. They have been using it for ages for hair growth. Peel off the back of the onion, then get your grater or blender, anyone you have at home. Use this to extract the onion juice. Onion is rich in sulfur, which helps to stimulate collagen production. Remember, collagen is perfect for hair growth. So after you have grated your onion, you have to strain it. Do not mix it with water to avoid diluting it. Do not add water to it if you want it to work faster and make your hair to be thick, because water will dilute it. So after you have extracted the onion juice, you have to pour in inside your Vaseline, then head to the next ingredient. The next ingredients are going to be making use of is your coffee. Coffee is good for hair growth. Coffee helps to grow hair. Coffee also helps to darken hair. In case you have gray hair, it will help to darken it. Then get your hot water, boil some water and use it to mix the three ingredients. You can't mix these ingredients without using hot water. Note it. So you have to mix them inside that hot water to be properly mixed together. After you have finished mixing the three ingredients together, then it's ready to be used. It's ready to be used. All you have to do is gently apply it on your hair scalp. Remember, on your scalp, on your hair scalp, from the scalp to the tip of the hair. Leave it on your hair for 1 hour and wash it off with hot water. Not really hot water, warm water. Because of the Vaseline, you have to wash it off with warm water. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.